Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. FET has, after my video yesterday, dipped a little bit further, which gives us actually quite a nice 5-wave pattern to the downside in wave C of 2. And it's also trying to turn around here in this Fibonacci support area, which is based on the length of the A wave. And if we compare that with the length of the C wave, then we are exactly in the target area for a C wave. We're not in the standard support zone for a wave 2, but as I explained in yesterday's video, we don't have to. It could easily turn around from here. And the relevant levels are $1.57 and $1.54. Why are these levels important? Very simple, because it's based on the length of the A wave. So a C wave typically would reach the area between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension. And we are there now. And the resistance area is still located between $1.63 and $1.64. We defined it yesterday, it hasn't changed. And it would require a break above it. So that pretty much means a break above $1.65 on a sustained basis as a first indication, not confirmation, but a first indication that a top has actually formed in, sorry, not a low, not a top, that a low has formed actually in this wave 2. And why is that? Because further direct extensions to the downside become less likely if there is a convincing break. It has to be a convincing break. I mean, if we go to 1.655, it's not a break, right? But if it breaks above and then holds there and we see some upside momentum, then yeah, this is the first indication we've actually bottomed. Overall, we were watching for a reaction in that Fibonacci support area. That reaction has happened, and now we need first a break above 1.65. And then a break above that B wave high at $1.74. That would be further confirmation that indeed a low has formed in wave 2. And what would be a target then for wave 3? And remember, this is actually still quite a bullish structure, because we've seen a 5-wave move up here into the 12th of September high and a 3-wave pullback. That's generally bullish because the pullback was a higher low. Then we've seen another 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback, or rather it's a sideways consolidation, which looks pretty much like a flat correction, and it looks pretty much complete. So that still allows all for higher prices, and the target for that third wave should take us to, or is located at the also here the 1.38 extension, right? Third waves should get to the 1.38 extension. I actually haven't shown it here. Let me add it. So we talk about round about $2.40 for the third wave, then a 4th wave pullback, then a 5th wave higher to 256. That would be of a larger third wave, and then it would go higher like that. Okay, so that means the next milestone target is round about $2.40 for this internal third wave. That is wave 3 of circle 3. And if we zoom out a little bit, that is pretty much also located here around the 1.786 extension of the larger cycle. So we have a good overlap there of different Fibonacci levels. And this, however, would still allow for higher prices afterwards. This would only be the third of a third wave. And then we want to get circle 3 probably to round about $2.58 or higher. So that's at the moment my idea about the FET chart. When would I need to change my view? So the thing is, this overall bullish structure is valid as long as we are holding above the $1.32 level. So 132 is key support because that's the lower boundary line of the orange support region. It's the 78.6 retracement. Normally a wave 2 shouldn't break below that level. And yeah, that would definitely make this entire structure very questionable, but it actually is looking quite good. So below 132, however, I have to change my opinion. In the very short term, it looks as if FET is trying to form a low, but I haven't got enough structure from the low to really confirm it. So I cannot rule out one more low at the moment, right? We haven't even broken above initial resistance, but I gave you 2 levels to watch. $1.65 and then that internal B wave top, which formed on Friday the 27th around $1.74. So that's the update about FETCH.AI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.